In today's video, I am going to teach you how to disable AI in Google Chrome 2025 vertical bar. Turn off Chrome AI features completely. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, move your attention to the top right corner of the browser window. There you will see the three-dot menu icon. Click that menu to open Chrome's main options. From the menu, look for Settings and open it. If you are not familiar with this area, do not worry. You only need to change one setting for this process. After the Settings page opens, go to the left-hand sidebar. In that sidebar, find the System tab and click on it. Once you are inside the System section, look for an option labeled On-Device AI. If it is turned on, Chrome may use local AI features directly on your device. To disable that behavior, simply toggle the On-Device AI setting off. That is really all you need to do. Open Chrome, go to the three-dot menu, open Settings, click System in the left sidebar, and turn off On-Device AI. This is a quick setting, but it can be useful if you prefer to reduce AI-based browser functions and keep more direct control over your Chrome experience. That covers everything you need to know.